Arboretum in Carlow, we put on talks all the time for our customers, and we bring them for a walk through the inspirational garden. It really is about community. Now, not just the older people, you have the kids and you have the young people, all the age groups who are interested in gardening. So it's diverse and there's something for everybody.
The Delta Centre Gardens, clients that come here that have intellectual disabilities, for them you see it in different lights of the garden. They haven't got their sight or they haven't got their hearing, but you can see it going through the gardens with the vibrations and the flowing water and feeling the stone and the trees. So it's all health as well.
It's been a marvellous day here so far. I love this garden, so it's an absolute joy to be able to wander around eating delicious foods. And I love going to the garden centre. The wonderful thing about gardening is it's a really broad church, and so there's space for everybody.